Hello world, I'm Damian from TheMonkeys and I'm just at the front of one of the most popular landmarks of Kuala Lumpur, the old government building from 1800s. And today I'm gonna explore a little bit of this area, also the Merdeka Square and the River of Life, as tomorrow morning I'm going to Genting Highlands, so today's vlog will be from Kuala Lumpur. I hope so you're gonna enjoy. Anyway, this is the great place for enjoying a little bit of the city center of Kuala Lumpur without the crowds, and also a little bit more historical part of Kuala Lumpur as well. Pretty nice building, you can walk here peacefully and enjoy. And on the other side is the Merdeka. Unfortunately, I don't know why you cannot enter currently there. However, I'm gonna hit now into the River of Life. So many nice things to show you today, guys, around. This is the old Chartered Bank building, very nice. Unfortunately, everything here is closed. Also here there was some gallery of Kuala Lumpur with the sign I love KL. And also here was the entrance to the Plaza Dataran Merdeka, which is Merdeka Square in English. Unfortunately, seems like this area of Kuala Lumpur is little bit still closed, guys. This one's supposed to be old government printing office. Well, it's closed, but the very nice architecture, that's for sure. Also, this building over here is the old Supreme Court. Also very nice, beautiful architecture, that's for sure, guys. There is, of course, so many pros and cons about the traveling right now, especially in countries of Southeast Asia. First, definitely pros is that as everything is not that crowded in many places. Also, you can find much cheaper prices for accommodation, transportation, and tickets, flight tickets, and everything. And one of the cons is that as many things will be still closed or very limited. Of course, nothing to complain about. I'm just gonna enjoy my time to the fullest, and I'm gonna show you as many things as possible, guys. Alright, and now I'm entering the River of Life colonial walk. This is like an old town heritage site. Seems like very not so crowded, however very enjoyable to walk. I want to show you a little bit around of this beautiful architecture here. At the front is the view of the court, and this is the Masjid Jamek, which is the one of the oldest mosque in Kuala Lumpur city center. There is the KL Tower. Of course, there are so many buildings, and this is the River of Life. And this is also beautiful murals over here, one here and one over there. I'm hitting there now. Also, the quality of the mural is pretty impressive. There's nice legend, or maybe fishing actually, and the full entire building is transformed into the mural. A very nice place. Also, here is the mosque. It's supposed to be the fountain. Unfortunately, probably because of not many tourists around, it's still off. And here we have another mural. Seems like it's some sort of trade long time ago. You can see the traders, you can see the car. Also, another full entire building wall is converted into the mural. Beautiful stuff. One thing only what I don't know, and I'm very curious, is what is this theme is coming about. Maybe if you know, you can let me know. Also, there is the sign. I think the water is supposed to be sometimes more water or something like that. Actually, or water is always like that. You can let me know, guys. Because I think actually as you could dock the boat over here, right? By the way, guys, today is my second anniversary of making daily vlogs, exactly 2 years that 7th of June 2020, I started my daily vlogs. I mean vlogging every single day, as I started my YouTube channel 2 months before current situation, you know, in beginning of February actually, and in April was the lockdown, so I nearly start crying. Little bit nostalgic talk. So thank you so much for everyone who are being with me since very early beginning. I know some of you watching me since the very first vlogs. Thank you so much, guys. I hope so you're gonna stay with me for another few years, and I hope so I'm gonna still making these videos. I hope so you enjoy, and thank you so much for being with me. Welcome all new people who just arrived, find out my channel. You can subscribe. I'm doing video every single day since last 2 years, and another few years at the front of me. I hope so. Okay, big thumb up for this video. 500 likes. Just kidding. If you like, if not, it's okay. Alright, that was the old town. Now is the time for me to try some hawker center. One of the popular hawker center in Kuala Lumpur is the Hutong at Lodge 10 Mall, and I wanna try it. This is one of the most popular here in KL, so why not? Alright, eventually I got myself the chicken noodle soup with the chicken and this one and the eggs. I don't know what is it, but looks really decent, and also very nice looking place. And all of this what you saw is for less than $4 American, so it's very worth it, I think, but I will try first. It is Chinese food, but I'm gonna tell you, I like it so much. It's really nice, really yummy, and really good price. Really nice. Highly recommended, guys. You should try it. Seems like this place is quite popular. It's a little bit of the little food court actually, but mostly Chinese cuisines, I believe. However, it's really great food. And this is like a city center hawker center, so it's maybe not the cheapest in Malaysia. However, $3-4 and you can get a full proper meal, so it's actually still very affordable, I could say. And yeah, of course, very clean, very nice. You can have so much selection. Also here on the ground floor you can find the super long, big, tall ice creams. I'm not sure, 32 centimeters. Or perhaps would you like to try authentic Wagyu hot skewer? One stick 15.80, exactly the same how much I pay for my food. However, the queues are very long, and the sticks actually looks really decent. Check this out. If the meat is original, I believe it is, so that must be so cool, because so many people looking around. Most likely I cannot handle much more food today. However, I showed you once, and it was really lovely food. I highly recommend it in the city center. Next time I'm gonna show you different food courts. Alright guys, so once again I met my fans on the Kuala Lumpur city center on the street. That's the Ima from Canada, right?
Yes.
So how are you doing, my friend?
I came from Vancouver, Canada. I always follow him on YouTube. I just suddenly met him on close to Pavilion, Kuala Lumpur.
Again in Pavilion. 2 days ago I met somebody also in Pavilion.
I told him that the only thing makes him very famous is his energy. He is very positive, and then I had a quick chat with him right now. He's very good guy. Apart from all the videos, he's a very good guy. I like him. I will follow him. You can follow him. He is very active. He posts videos on YouTube every day. I hope all you guys are very good after COVID. You can come to Kuala Lumpur, Bali, and other South Asian cities and enjoy it.
Yeah, exactly. And I didn't pay him anything. He just said that because he loved it.
Maybe only $50. No, I'm joking.
Just okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Alright guys, it's 10 p.m. already, and I come back here again to show you how does it look during the night, where everywhere there are lights, and just enjoy a little bit of the cinematography by night from the same place. I think I know why is the steam everywhere. It actually looks pretty cool, like a cloud forest, little bit romantic, I could say. At night there is some music, and actually it's more and more people by night here than it was before. Really beautiful. Alright guys, that was my pleasure to host you today on my video. I hope so you enjoy. Little bit of everything, especially on the old town in Kuala Lumpur. Now it's night, it's already almost 11, so I have to go home until the MRT is closed. Thank you so much for watching. Tomorrow I'm going to Genting Highlands, so I hope so you're gonna enjoy as well. Thank you so much. Take care. See you tomorrow, guys. See, I have to tell you something.